Children, are you ready? Read along with me. I can be on top. Let's read again. I can be on top. Now, children, it's your turn. Just follow this red pointer. Good job! The pot is hot. Let's read again. The pot is hot. Now it's your turn. That's great. The log is long. The log is long. It's your turn. Good job. Tom got a job. Tom got a job. It's your turn. Good job. Let us jog and hop. Let us jog and hop. Your turn. That's great. The boy rolls the rod. The boy rolls the rod. It's your turn. That's great. I can not see the dot. I cannot see the dot. Your turn. That's great. Mon can mop the lot. Mon can mop the lot. It's your turn. Good job. A hog is on top of a log. A hog is on top of a log. Your turn. Good job. See you in the next video.